9 Tesla Cybertrucks spotted at Giga Texas. A new drone flyover of the Tesla Giga Texas plant, on August 13, 2023, brought an interesting view of 9 Tesla Cybertrucks parked outside the factory. All vehicles happen to be covered up, so we can't say for sure whether they are fully functional vehicles camouflaged or not. Joe Tetmeyer, who posted the photos on Twitter, Joe Tetmeyer, asked for help to identify the vehicles. Can anyone help me identify what these vehicles are? All 9 are covered up, so it's really hard to tell. They are in the outbound transportation lot at Giga Texas, if that helps any. 9 is the highest number of Tesla Cybertrucks seen in one place at once, which probably can be seen as a sign of progress in preparations tooling and will make Tesla enthusiasts very happy. Let's recall that a limited production of the Cybertruck customer vehicles is expected to begin by the end of this year. A close-up of one of the vehicles shows also a paper label, although details, potentially a VIN number, were too small to be readable. Interestingly, a few more Tesla Cybertrucks in various stages of assembly were seen also through the windows inside the plant. We can assume that together with test vehicles already on the road in the United States and in other countries like New Zealand, Tesla potentially already has dozens of Cybertrucks. Some of them are used to test the manufacturing line, others to test particular components or vehicles as a whole. While some will be totally destroyed in crash tests, this will be interesting to see, by the way. At least one Tesla Cybertruck is a dual-purpose vehicle, trolling the Ford F-150. But if we remember correctly, Ford started this about 2 years ago by appearing at Tesla's headquarters. We are now eagerly waiting for the new video from Joe Tetmeyer to better see the 9 Cybertrucks. We will update this post once it is available. Until then, we can watch a different video, from Brad Sloan, posted yesterday, which shows a single Tesla Cybertruck in the parking lot before it was joined by 8 additional units. Who knows how many there might be by tomorrow then? Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.